In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Docusign version. By the end of this quick guide, you'll be able to easily navigate through your Docusign account and find out which version you are currently using. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open a web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leading provider in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a crucial tool for many businesses. Once you are on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click that to proceed. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This is typically your email and password associated with your Docusign account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing documents, sending agreements, and more. Now let's navigate to the Admin section. At the top of your screen, there will be a menu bar. Click on Admin to enter the administrative dashboard. This area is essential for managing various aspects of your Docusign account. After you enter the Admin section, the next step is to locate and click on Account. This will guide you to the account management area where additional settings and information can be found. Once you're in the account section, look for the Updates option and click on it. This section provides valuable information regarding the latest features and updates available for Docusign. To find the version details, you'll need to click on System Updates. This final step will bring you to a page that outlines the most recent system updates and version details of your Docusign account. It's essential to regularly check the version you are using to ensure you have access to the latest features and fixes that Docusign provides. Staying updated not only enhances your user experience, but also ensures that your account maintains the highest level of security and efficiency. Remember, knowing how to find your Docusign version is a handy skill that can save you time when troubleshooting or confirming you're using the most current version. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly keep track of your Docusign updates. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to drop a comment or question below if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Docusign.